Hi there! From this video we start the course devoted to the futures trading. Within this course we will study the basics and peculiarities associated with the futures trading. We will use Bybit exchange as an example, but the material presented in this course will be also relevant for those traders who are trading futures on other exchanges. During the course we will talk about what are the futures and how they work. We will tell you how dated futures differ from perpetual futures, how long and short positions work, how does trading in isolated margin differ from trading in cross-margin mode. You will figure out what funding is and how to calculate profit from your trades. We will discuss liquidation and many other aspects associated with futures trading. In this very first video we will talk about futures, how they work and what type of futures exist. Subscribe to the channel and we are getting started. Futures are traded on stock and cryptocurrency exchanges. They are divided into dated and perpetual. Dated futures in turn are divided into deliverable and settlement futures. Let's talk about this in more detail. Dated futures are futures that have an expiration date. Futures can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, and so on. For example, a quarterly futures lives for a quarter and executed on the designated date. Dated futures are either settlement or deliverable. When settlement futures are executed, the parties to the contract made mutual settlements with each other. The first trader pays the second, or vice versa, depending on whose bet won. When deliverable futures are executed, actual delivery of the underlying assets occurs. For example, on the stock exchange, when a delivery futures contract is executed, the trader receives grain. Perpetual futures. Perpetual futures do not have an expiration date. This type of futures is elaborated for trading for speculation. Traders can hold a position on them for as long as they deem necessary. The main thing is that their position is not eaten by the market, for example, if there is not enough margin. Perpetual futures are mainly common on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, and others. The concept of funding is associated with perpetual futures. We will discuss this mechanism and ways to profit from it in detail in the following videos. Perpetual futures are the most popular instrument among active traders. The majority of trades in crypto is made in perpetual futures. Therefore, in our course, we will focus especially on teaching how to trade perpetual futures. In this video, we figured out what futures are, how they work, and what types there are. Futures trading requires theoretical and practical training from the trader. Therefore, if you don't have any trading experience yet, we really recommend you to take a look at our spot trading course. The link you will find in the description. I hope this video was useful. In the next video we will talk about how long and short positions work. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Wish you good luck in your trading.